Hi, I'm Reese Stewart with IAD Real Estate. After nearly 3 decades in the real estate industry, I've learned that successful agents don't build great businesses by chance. They build them with a plan. If you're ready to stop hoping for results and start creating them, I invite you to join me for this hands-on real estate business plan workshop. Together, we'll build your personalized plan step by step. You'll define your income goals, identify your lead generation strategies, create a daily action plan, and leave with a roadmap you can put into action immediately. Success in real estate isn't about working harder. It's about working with purpose and following a proven plan. Reserve your seat today at realestatebusinessplanworkshop.com. I look forward to seeing you at the workshop.